If you're looking for a full-sized digital piano that won't break the bank, the Alesis Recital is a strong contender in the budget-friendly category. Welcome back to my Auto MT channel. With 88 semi-weighted keys, built-in speakers, multiple instrument voices, and interactive piano lessons, this keyboard is designed to offer an authentic playing experience without the high price tag of premium models. But how well does it hold up in real-world use? Let's take a closer look at its features, sound quality, usability, and overall value to see if it's the right fit for your needs. Design and build quality. The Alesis Recital has a sleek and modern design, with full-sized keys that make it feel closer to a traditional piano than many compact digital keyboards. The semi-weighted keys provide a decent amount of resistance, though some users have noted that they don't feel as heavy as fully weighted or hammer-action keys. While the keyboard is lightweight and portable, it still feels sturdy and well-built, with minimal rattling or clicking noises when playing. The adjustable touch response allows you to customize the sensitivity of the keys based on your playing style, which is a great feature for beginners who may not be used to a traditional piano feel. Overall, the build quality is solid for the price, making it a great choice for beginners or casual players who want a full-sized keyboard without the bulk of a traditional piano. Sound quality and features. The Alesis Recital comes with 5 different instrument voices: musical keyboard acoustic piano, musical keyboard electric piano, musical keyboard organ, musical keyboard synth, musical keyboard bass. While this isn't the largest selection of sounds, it's enough for basic practice and creativity. The built-in effects, chorus and reverb, add some depth to the sound, making it feel richer and more immersive. One of the standout features is the 2 built-in 20W speakers, which deliver clear and room-filling sound. The volume levels are impressive, and even though the sound quality may not match premium digital pianos, it's more than sufficient for learning, practicing, or casual play. If you want a better sound experience, the stereo RCA outputs allow you to connect to external speakers or an amplifier, and the headphone jack lets you practice privately without disturbing others. Some users have noted that while the piano sound is decent, it lacks the richness of higher-end models. However, for the price, the sound quality is impressive and more than enough for beginners. Usability and learning tools. The Alesis Recital is designed with beginners in mind, offering multiple learning modes and interactive lesson features. Pushpin standard mode, normal playing mode. Pushpin split mode allows you to split the keyboard into 2 different instrument sounds. Pushpin layer mode enables you to combine 2 sounds for a richer experience. Pushpin lesson mode divides the keyboard into 2 identical sections for side-by-side learning. Additionally, the keyboard includes a 3-month premium subscription to Skuv and 100 virtual lessons for melodics, which provides step-by-step guidance to help beginners improve their skills. One great feature is the battery-powered option, allowing you to play anywhere without needing a power outlet. This makes it perfect for travel, outdoor performances, or practicing on the go. Pros and cons. White heavy checkmark. Pros. Heavy checkmark affordable. Great price for an 88-key digital piano. Heavy checkmark full-sized, semi-weighted keys. Feels more like a real piano than smaller keyboards. Heavy checkmark 5 instrument voices and built-in effects. Offers variety and customization. Heavy checkmark powerful 20W speakers. Loud and clear sound for practice or casual performances. Heavy checkmark multiple learning modes and free online lessons. Ideal for beginners. Heavy checkmark battery-powered option. Play anywhere, even without a power outlet. Heavy checkmark headphone jack and external output options. Flexible for private practice or amplified sound. Crossmark cons. Crossmark keys are not fully weighted, may not satisfy experienced pianists looking for a true piano feel. Crossmark limited number of instrument voices, not as many sounds as some competitors. Crossmark sound quality is good but not professional level, lacks the depth and richness of premium digital pianos. Crossmark sustain pedal not included, must be purchased separately. Customer experience and real-world performance. The Alesis Recital has received over 13,000 global ratings, with an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, indicating that most customers are highly satisfied with their purchase. Many users appreciate. Musical note: the value for money, a full-sized keyboard at a budget price. Musical note: the solid build quality, sturdy, well-made, and long-lasting. Musical note: the easy setup, works right out of the box. Musical note: the built-in learning tools, great for beginners. However, there are mixed opinions on the key feel and sound quality. Some users expected more realistic key weight and richer sound, but most agree that for the price, the keyboard delivers a fantastic beginner experience. One customer mentioned, "I bought this for my 5-year-old daughter who is just starting piano lessons. I considered the Yamaha P71 and Casio Privia PX160, but at half the price, the Alesis Recital was a no-brainer. She loves it, and we can always upgrade later. Another customer said, I've had this keyboard for 6 months now, and I couldn't be happier. It's a great beginner keyboard and the sound quality is fantastic for the price. My only complaint is that the keys aren't as weighted as I'd like, but at this price point, it's expected. Final verdict. Is the Alesis Recital worth buying? The Alesis Recital is a fantastic choice for beginners, casual players, and budget-conscious musicians looking for a full-sized digital piano with decent sound and essential features. While it doesn't match the feel and sound quality of high-end digital pianos, it delivers excellent value for its price, making it one of the best budget-friendly 88-key keyboards available. Musical keyboard. Who should buy it? Heavy checkmark beginners and students who need an affordable learning tool. Heavy checkmark casual players who want a full-sized keyboard without a huge investment. Heavy checkmark musicians looking for a portable practice keyboard with battery-powered options. Heavy checkmark parents buying for kids who are just starting piano lessons. Musical note. Who might want to look elsewhere? Crossmark experienced pianists looking for fully weighted keys. Crossmark musicians needing high-end sound quality for professional use. At $229, the Alesis Recital is one of the best entry-level digital pianos available today.